What's up, my viewers? Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my pre-workout supplement regimen. First, I'm going to show you guys how I make my pre-workout drink. For this, you will need a cup as well as a spoon. To start things off, I add ice to the cup. Just like that. So the reason I add ice to my pre-workout drink is to make it cold, and I do that because it's a lot easier to drink that way. Next up, we add water to the cup. I'm not a big fan of dry scooping, and the water helps a lot of the ingredients in the pre-workout work. So for those reasons, I use water when I take my pre-workout. And we're going to fill it all the way to the top. And that looks like plenty. This right here is the pre-workout I use. It's called Outlift by Nutrex. It's Miami Vice flavored, and you can tell in the back there are a lot of good ingredients, and the dosages are good for the most part as well. 8 grams of citrulline malate, that's excellent. Big dose of caffeine andros, 350 milligrams. Creatine, 3 grams. That's a tad low, but these are great ingredients and they're all in good amounts. And I do get a great pump from this pre-workout. It gives me some energy and it really does the job. Now it's time to add the pre-workout powder to the drink. And I use 1 heaping scoop. That's all you need. There's no need to go any higher than that. So it's in there, and now all you got to do is stir and mix it in real good. That should be enough. Then all you do is drink and enjoy. Something I should bring to your awareness is that this Miami Vice flavor is not the greatest in my opinion. It doesn't bother me too much because I'm taking the pre-workout for the benefits of the ingredients, but if you want a good tasting pre-workout drink, I would not suggest the Miami Vice flavor. So let me finish drinking this and I'll show you one last thing that I do. As I said earlier, the creatine content in this pre-workout is a tad low. It's only 3 grams. I like to get 5 grams in, so what I do is I add a little bit of additional creatine. These are capsules. The brand is Concrete, and I find this product very effective, and it's a little expensive, but it really works for me. And there you have it. That's my pre-workout supplement regimen. So usually I wait about 30 minutes and then I head over to the gym and I get my workout in. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos as well. I'll see you in the next one.